May I know your name, please?
Yeah, I am Anthony, the Managing Director for IGOS India Private Limited.
And where are you based out of?
See, we are in India, our headquarters is in Bangalore, near Whitefield. We have a full-fledged warehouse plus factory facilities, more than 30,000 square feet. So we maintain very huge stock in our warehouse so that we can support our Indian customers with shortest time possible.
Okay. Can you just explain a few products for our viewers?
Yeah, definitely. So we are now in IGOS stall in IMTEX 2016 in Bangalore. And here, we IGOS basically has got three product divisions. One is cable management solutions, which is called E-Chain Systems, which you can see here, all cable management solutions. And other range of products are high flexible cables. Here you can see all our cable varieties, power cables, control cables, data cables, servo cables, and we also supply cable with connectors. That means we have our own connectors and we integrate the cable with connectors and we supply harnessed solutions to the customers. And we have full range of cable, high flexible cable solutions for machineries in moving applications. So now the design requirement is so stringent that we need very high flexible cable solutions for moving machines. So IGOS is the only company in the world who can make the smallest possible bending radius and with maximum high speed, even more than 10 meters per second. So in IMTEX we have launched some new products which is called R2 tube for cost-effective tube solutions for machine tool applications, especially which is chip protected and coolant protected. And this is a new launch for IGOS in India. And we have another solution for clean room applications. This is mainly for semicon industries and whether the clean room norms are very stringent. This is a new product which we have come across. And we also have E-rib solutions. This is a cheaper solution for small travel strokes in machine tools where the corrugated tubes are supported with ribs so that it can move in one direction. This is another solution. We also have, IGOS in India have done many applications from small travel stock in machine tools and very long travel stocks in material handling applications. And we have executed long travels up to more than 600 meters in India, and we are capable of doing long travel strokes up to more than 1000 meters. Now let us move to our cable application solutions. See, in India we have launched special cables for CFM. That means cables for machine tool applications which are guaranteed for 36 months. So whoever buy our cables, we give guarantee so that it will trouble-free running for 34 months. That is our special solutions to the Indian machine tool automation and machine tool industry. And here you can see another wonderful product from IGOS. It is a highly advanced technological solutions for Indian industry for robotic applications for multi-axial movements. So we cater these solutions for Indian robotic applications, especially in automotive industries where the robot requires multi-axial movements like this. This is one of our new solutions for this application in India. Now let us move to our bearing solutions. See, IGOS is the only company who does extensive research in polymer. So that is why we are able to come out with more than 40 varieties of polymer bearings. You can see all these multicolored polymer bearings. Each are different technical advantages and cost-effective solutions for Indian industry. And here you can see our various. So this shows for linear modules for our dry-line solutions. Coupled with chain movements and high flexible cables. And here you can see our various products of linear applications. So we also supply linear motor coupled with linear side movements. and this is a new addition to the Indian market. And we have full range of linear bearing products here displayed. And here also you can see our various linear products here, linear bearing solutions. And in this machine, I would like to highlight some of the special applications where we want to show to the Indian industry the linear guides and the cable management solutions, plus the door application with our linear bearings. This is one of the newest application solution we supply to the Indian industry, where the doors, the advantages is that it is chip protected. The door bearings, linear bearings are chip protected, coolant protected, and it will never get rusted, and the life is much more compared to other similar products available in the market. So here these forming machines, in most of the machines I use products, either bearings or chain or flexible cables are being used, and we continuously participate in all machine tool and other exhibitions. We are also going to participate in Electrama, which is going to come into the same venue soon, and in Auto Expo Delhi we are participating in a big way, where we exhibit we show our automotive solutions for our bearings. So in India now we are supplying to many applications in automotive vehicles, car, trucks, and other applications. And you will learn more about the applications in Auto Expo. So I invite all of you for our Electrama exhibitions and Auto exhibition, which is coming to near future. Thank you very much.